Hey everyone, again, let's get on to it. As you can see, we're doing exercise 5.11, and the day you guys not to horse around because they won't help you. What you want to do is to make sure that you give it a try to these exercises, because you definitely won't gain not even a single thing by simply watching me doing them for you. Okay, I don't want to stress that enough. I mean, you guys are grown-ups. If you do programming, that implies that you know what you're dealing with. So this is not a class for me to teach you guys discipline. Anyways, let's see the problem. Okay, so this is it right here. We gotta find the numbers divisible by 5 or 6, but not both. Okay, so write a program that displays all the numbers from 100 to 200, okay, 10 per line, that are divisible by 5 or 6, but not both. Numbers are separated by exactly one space. Okay, it is one of those problems that perhaps I shouldn't even bother myself answering them for you, because they are pretty straightforward. We've been doing this for quite some time. But anyways, I am gonna give out a solution because I made a promise I will, right? Okay. So here's what I'll do. I won't talk much. I'll simply keep typing. So we're counting numbers right now, because what all this count here tells us will be used in order to determine whether to display a number on the current line or the following line, or next line, okay? So here's what I'll do. It's a matter of making a choice, folks. You could get away with this problem by using a while loop, not necessarily a for loop. Okay, so what I will simply do, I'll keep continuing while number is less than or equal to 200, and of course what I want to do is to increment my number by 1. Once I'm done doing that, I'll check if my number is divisible by both 5 and 6. Is number divisible by 5 is equal to 0. This operator here, folks, we don't use it often, but it's as important as others too. So make sure that you try to wrap your head around it. Okay, it has to find a way up there in your head. Okay, it simply says either this condition must be true or this one here, but not both for it to be true. Okay, if this is the case, what I'll simply do is to go system .out .prints I'll simply display that number. Of course, what I want to do now is to determine whether or not should I display this number on the current line or the next line. So here's what I'll do for that. I'll simply check my count. If my count is divisible by 10, if that is the case, what I'll do, I'll concatenate. In fact, I'll go to the next line. Otherwise, I'll leave a single space. That should be it, folks. Okay, afterwards, of course, I wanna increment my count. problem solved. Let's see what we get. As you guys can see, these are the numbers here, and if you're not quite sure, you can verify them in whatever way you please. Okay, that should be it, folks. I'm gone.